Hey crypto friends, for those of you who are new to my channel, my name is Garrett and welcome to Altcoin Radar. In today's educational trading video, you guys are going to learn all about the EMA indicator and learn about all the different tips and the tricks and the best practices on how to best use it in your own trading strategy as well. Now, for those of you who are new to the channel, if you're interested in trading and would like to try out the same exchange that I've been using for the last 4 years, feel free to go ahead and check out the MEXC crypto exchange with a link in the video description below this video. I personally love this exchange for two big reasons. The first one, as many of you guys know, I'm a huge altcoin nerd and they've got all kinds of different altcoins for me to buy and trade at any given time. Now, in addition to that, the biggest reason why I love MEXC is because they literally have some of the cheapest trading fees in the entire industry, which is why I absolutely love them, because I trade the crypto futures market a lot, and it's nice to be able to keep more of my profits rather than paying them in, rather than giving them away in fees, all right? To put into perspective, most exchanges charge 0.06% for taker fees. MEXC only charges 0.01%, which is very, very nice. So guys, before I actually go ahead and start off this video, I have to start off with the basics that crypto trading is extremely risky and you could lose all of your money if you're trading without a plan and trading irresponsibly. In addition to that, not every trading strategy works for every single person, since every person has a different personality, which is the reason why there's literally thousands and thousands of different trading strategies that exist, all right? So guys, with crypto trading, having a good toolkit of technical analysis indicators is absolutely essential for making good decisions while trading. And among these tools is the exponential moving average, or EMA indicator, all right, which is basically a versatile indicator that can provide extremely valuable insights into market trends and potential entry and exit points as well. But what exactly is the EMA, you might ask? It's basically a type of moving average that places more weight on recent price data, making it more responsive to recent price changes compared to the standard simple moving average, or SMA, all right? In addition, the EMA is calculated by giving more weight to the most recent price data points, which allows it to react more quickly to price trends. So let's go ahead and get into some tips and practices, because I've got 5 of them for you, okay? So the first tip, first of all, I've got my EMA open right here. This is the EMA indicator, these 2 lines right here. I've got a 50, I typically use a 50 period EMA and a 200 period EMA. The blue one is the 200 period, the orange one is the 50 period, all right? So the first tip I've got for you guys is all about the right time frame, okay? Selecting the right time frame for the EMA is absolutely crucial. Shorter EMAs, such as the 9 period or 12 period, are more sensitive to price action and are more suitable for shorter term time frames. So like if you're scalping or something like that on the 15 or 5 minute or 1 minute charts, okay? And longer EMAs, such as what I've got here, the 50 period or the 200 period, are best for longer term time frames, which is why I'm on the daily chart with them right now, okay? So the next tip that I've got for you has to do with identifying trend directions, okay? You can use the EMA to identify the direction of a trend, and when the price is trading above the EMA, it typically signals an uptrend. So obviously you can see right now, price action is above the EMA, which obviously signifies we are definitely in an uptrend here, all right? Now, when price falls below, when the price is below the EMA, it typically suggests a downtrend, all right? In addition, the slope of the EMA can also provide clues about the strength of the trend as well, okay? So here's an example. You can see that the slope here of the trend is, it's not exactly that steep, but it is pretty, it's pretty steep. We got a pretty decent angle here, which means that the trend is pretty bullish, all right? But when we go back, and let me go ahead and go back here and go back to a downtrend, for instance, okay? So here we go. With this downtrend, you can see that this 50 period EMA is extremely steep, all right? That basically tells me that, okay, well, this downtrend is extremely aggressive right now, okay? So you can see a lot and tell a lot just by seeing the slope of the angle of the EMAs and where the EMAs are currently positioned, whether they're in relation to the price action being above or below as well, okay? Now, the next tip that I've got for you is one that is more crucial. It's one of the more crucial ones that I personally like the most, and it's all about crossovers, okay? EMA crossovers occur when two EMAs of different periods basically intersect, okay? A bullish crossover occurs when a shorter-term EMA crosses above the longer-term EMA. So here, a bullish crossover would happen when the 50-period EMA crosses above the 200-period EMA, okay? And a bearish crossover basically occurs when a shorter-term EMA crosses below the longer-term EMA, signaling a potential selling opportunity, all right? So as you guys can clearly see here, we've got a cross right in here. There's a cross somewhere right in here, okay? And that cross happened, and you can clearly see the shorter period EMA crossed and went, above the longer period EMA. Boom, bullish signal right there, all right? So let me go and show you a bearish signal. You can clearly see a bearish signal right here. Here's a bearish cross right here, and you can clearly see it clear as day. Basically, the longer term EMA crossed above the shorter period EMA, and it continued to follow that all through this whole entire period of this major downswing that we had right here. And that pretty much tells us, okay, well, the trend is definitely extremely bearish now. And you can tell that a lot by looking at the longer term time frames here, which is why I love using the daily chart, for instance, because it's very nice to be able to see more accurate trends, okay? Now, the next tip that I've got for you guys is to use the EMA as support and resistance. Basically, when the price approaches the EMA from below during an uptrend, it often finds support, providing potential entry points for long positions for crypto futures traders. And during a downtrend, the EMA may act as a resistance, offering opportunities for shorting opportunities, all right? So let's go ahead and see this here, all right? So basically, you can clearly see that this 50-period EMA pretty much acted as a level of support right here, okay? But it ended up breaking through that support, but we didn't end up breaking through the 200-period EMA, all right? Which means that, obviously momentum ended up shifting somewhere in between here, and we ended up going back above and ended up, trading even higher. All right, so that is kind of what I'm talking about here as far as treating them as support and resistance, all right? Now, let's see here. Let's go ahead and go to the next tip. The next tip that I've got for you guys is to combine the EMA with other indicators to enhance the effectiveness of the EMA. Some basic indicators that work great in tandem with the EMA are the RSI indicator, the MEXC indicator, and the Bollinger Bands indicator as well. Adding these to your arsenal will greatly help you to be able to confirm your overall decision making as well, all right? Basically though, incorporating the EMA indicator into your trading strategy can provide extremely valuable insights into market trends and potential trade setups. And by understanding how to interpret EMA signals and applying these best practices, you will be able to make much more informed decisions and trade with greater confidence as well. But remember, you'll want to practice patience, discipline, and proper risk management also to optimize your overall success with trading the crypto market, you guys. So overall here though, that's going to pretty much do it for this video. So I will go ahead and wrap this one up. But before I wrap this up, if you would like to, and you haven't already, go ahead and make sure to subscribe to the channel so that you never miss a new crypto and altcoin video from me on a regular basis. And hey guys, with that said, thanks for watching.